Hello, we're still on reproduction in plants. Today we're going to talk about dispersal of seeds. We've talked about pollination, we've talked about fertilization. Today we're talking about dispersal of seeds. Now, before we talked about pollination, we talked about the flower being the sexual reproductive organ of the plant. Now, on the flower we have the male part and then the female part. Then we went on to talk about pollination, where pollen is transferred from the male to the female parts of the flower. Then we talked about fertilization. That happens after pollination. There is a fusion of the male and female gametophytes. Now, after fertilization, this is what happens. A fruit is a ripened ovary. Now, this fruit is formed after fertilization. The ovary becomes the fruit. The ovary walls become the walls of the fruit. So we have our carpel looking this way, with our ovary around this area, and this ovary contains the ovules. So this ovary will become our fruit, and this ovules will become our seeds. There are two main types of fruits depending on the amount of water content in them. We have the fleshy and then we have the dry fruits. The pea is an example of a dry fruit. Now, with the fleshy fruits, mostly we can get juices from them because they contain a lot of water. So the fruit is a ripened ovary, and then the ovules become the seeds. A fruit with so much juice or with high water content is called the fleshy fruit. The one with low or no water content is called the dry fruit.